Targeted deletions in strong Congress booths. The top 10 booths with maximum deletions are Congress stronghold. Congress won 8 other 10 booths in 2018. Not a coincidence. This is a planned operation. Now, let's come to why such a direct accusation about this gentleman, Ganesh Kumar. There is an ongoing investigation on this matter in Karnataka. The CID of Karnataka has sent 18 letters in 18 months. 18 letters in 18 months, Election Commission. And they have asked the Election Commission very simple facts. Number one, give us the destination IP from where these forms were filled. Number two, give us the device destination port from where these applications were filed. And number three, give us the OTP trails, because when you file, you have to get an OTP. 18 times in 18 months. The CID of Karnataka has written to the election for this, and they are not giving it. Why are they not giving it? Because this will lead us to where the operation is being done from. And we are absolutely convinced that this is going to lead. I'll give you a chronology. FIR is filed February 23. Karnataka CID writes to ECI requesting all details of these transactions almost immediately in March. In August, EC gives a reply, doesn't fill any of the demands, and doesn't give us the information. Doesn't give the CID Karnataka the information that will lead them to destination. January 24, CID writes to ECI again and says, please send us information. No. Karnataka CID by September 25, last letter went in September, has written 18 reminder letters. This is going on. The CEC of Karnataka writes to the Election Commission in Delhi and says, there is a matter. Please provide information. And the CEC of Karnataka multiple times asks the Election Commission. No answer. This is absolute solid proof that Ganesh Kumar is protecting the people who are doing this. This is also absolute solid proof, what I've shown you, that this is being done in a centralized way, this is its scale, and this is being done using large resources. Question is, who is someone? And the answer is with the EC today. The Election of India knows who is doing this. And I want every single youngster in India to know they're attacking this. And this is your future. When they are not giving this information, they are defending the murderers of our democracy. And it's important that every youngster knows this. Your jobs, your future, your aspirations will come from this instrument. And the chief election, Ganesh Kumar, is not telling the CID of Karnataka who is doing this. This is not a nice case. There are many such cases. Here is another one. Maharashtra, Rajora, same idea. 6,850 targeted vote added. Anand we got additions, Rajora we got additions. But the basic idea is the same. Phones from outside, people who are supposed to voters don't know that they've added voters, people who've deleted voters don't know that they've deleted voters. You can see you met those names there, JW, 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 JW from the last presentation. So it's the same system that is doing this. Doing it in Karnataka, it's doing it in Maharashtra, in Haryana, it's done it in UP, and we have proof of all of it. Names are being filled, addresses, the address is Sasti, 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 Sasti. Name is UQ, JJW. So, what are we saying here? That the Chief Commissioner of India, Gyanesh Kumar, needs to stop protecting the people who are destroying democracy. We have given you 100% bulletproof proof here. It cannot be doubted. You have seen it with eyes. Right? EC has to release this data of these phones, these OTPs, within a week. Otherwise, we will know for sure. देखिए, है हाइड्रोजन बॉम्ब आ रहा है। ये एक और उदाहरण है वोट चोरी का। पिछली बार मैंने आपको एडिशंस के बारे में बताया था, हम आपको डिलीशंस के बारे में दिखा रहे हैं, और सबूत साथ हम आपको दिखाएंगे कि ये जो डिलीशंस हुए हैं ये सेंट्रलाइज तरीके से कॉल सेंटर के प्रयोग, सॉफ्टवेयर के प्रयोग करके किए गए। हमारे पास इस प्रेजेंटेशन में जो मैंने आपको अभी दिखाया 100% सबूत है, प्रूफ है। गणेश कुमार जी हिंदुस्तान के चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर वोट चोरों की रक्षा कर रहे हैं, और यह मैं आपको अभी दिखाने जा रहा हूं। इलेक्शन में हमें रिपोर्ट आती थी कि वोटर्स डिलीट हो रहे हैं, कांग्रेस हो रहे हैं, ऑपोजिशन के वोटर्स डिलीट हो रहे हैं, दलित वोटर्स डिलीट हो रहे हैं, आदिवासी हो रहे हैं, माइनॉरिटी वोटर्स डिलीट हो रहे हैं, ओबीसी वोटर्स डिलीट हो रहे हैं। मगर जब डिलीट होते हैं ऑपोजिशन के ही होते हैं। कर्नाटक में आलंद कंस्टिट्यूएंसी है, यहां पे चोरी पकड़ ली, कोइंसिडेंस से पकड़ी। वहां की जो थी उसने देखा कि उसके रिश्तेदार को डिलीट कर दिया गया था। जैसे चोरी पकड़ी जाती है, कोई छोटी सी गलती है हाथ आ जाती है। में 6018 वोटर्स डिलीट हुए, इससे इनकी रिश्तेदार थे। उन्होंने पता लगाया कि मेरे रिश्तेदार को डिलीट किया। पता लगा कि पड़ोसी ने रिश्तेदार को, बीएलओ ने जाके पड़ोसी से पूछा कि भैया आपने मैं क्यों डिलीट किया? पड़ोसी ने कहा मैंने तो नहीं किया। बीएलओ सस्पिशियस हो, शक पड़ा, उसने प्रोसेस चालू कर दी। पता क्या लगा कि कोई ना कोई ने आलंद में सिस्टमैटिकली ऑर्गेनाइज तरीके से किया। हमें यह नहीं मालूम कि आलंद में कितने वोटर, क्योंकि इससे बहुत ज्यादा हो सकते हैं। 6,000 तकरीबन 6,000 पकड़े गए।